So in today's program, we'll see with more of operators, some more operators. Okay. Um, so first thing is we'll see about the assignment operator, how you assign something. Okay. And how we go with the add or subtract to an existing variables or division and things. Okay. This is mainly the assignment operator. Now let us take an example here. Yes. So assignment operator is you want to assign the value from one variable to another variables. Okay, so how do we assign the value? So if you want to assign, so I'll just say a is equal to 10. Now a is a variable which is having a value 10. So a is a variable which is having a value 10. Now if I just say print a, it is going to print the value of a. Okay, now a is having a value as 10. So obviously you will be getting the output as 10. So you're getting the output as 10. You can see here, we are getting the output as 10. Here, now what I will do is, I want to assign the value of a to b. Okay, I'll just say b is equal to a. If b is equal to a, what it does is, a has already got a value 10, b will get the value of a. That means b will also become 10. So I will try to print b. So print b. Okay, so now when I run this, so you can see a is also 10 and b is also 10. So this is, we call it as the assignment operator. Okay, so we are assigning a value, or we are assigning one variable with to another variable. The value of a will be assigned to b. Now what I want is, whatever the value of a is there, I want to assign with the increment. So I wanted to do an addition and then you want to assign with the increment or something, you want to do it. So let us see how do we do those particular things. Okay, this is a simple assignment value. Now what I want to do is, I want to assign with the increment. Now a has a value 10. See, I want to say this is a and this is b. So what will I do here is, I'll just write a comment here. I just say the value of a is, okay, and I'll just put a comma, and I'll do the same thing here also. The value of b is, okay. So you can see here, you get the output. A is having a value 10 and b also got the same value, okay, of 10. The reason is a is equal to b. That is what is happening. Okay, now what I want to do is, I want to increment. Okay, that is whatever the value of a is there, I want to add a plus 1. So I'll just say is a plus 1. So what will happen here, now a is having a value 10, so this will become as 10 plus 1, 11. 11 will be assigned to b. So a is having a value 10, b will have the value as 10 plus 1, 11, is it? Yeah, b is having the value 11, whereas a is having the value 10. Okay, now instead of telling a plus or to say this one b is equal to a plus 1, so I can just say, now a is having a value 10 and b also has some value. Say example, let us give something like, say b is equal to 5. Okay, or I'll just say a is equal to 5 and b is having a value as 10. Now a is having a value 5, b is having a value 10. Now if I say b plus equals a, means what this will do is, the value of b will get as old value plus the new value. Okay, so that means the actual value of b is 10. 10 plus equals a is having a value 5, so it is going to be 10 plus 5, it is going to become as 15. So you can see this is going to become as 15. The reason is, so a is having assigned a value 5, b is assigned with the value 10. Now we are telling b plus equals a. Plus equals to a means whatever the value of b is there, plus the value of a should be added to that. See, if I just say b is equal to, okay, a, the value of a will go to b. That means b will get the value as 5. Is it? So now I say no, the actual value of b plus the value of a should be added. So we can use a plus equal to sign. So that means plus equal to sign is the actual value plus you want to assign a new value to that. So you want to add to that. We use this. So it is equivalent to writing like this, is equivalent to writing like this: B is equal to B plus A. So if I write like this, B is equal to B plus A is B is 10 and plus 5, A is 5. So it is going to be 10 plus 5, 15. It is going to be 10 plus 5, 15. Okay. So you are trying to do the same thing here. Okay. So instead of writing like this, so I can write like this: B plus equals A. So this is a shorthand way of writing this code. Is a shorthand way of writing this code. Plus equal to operator. This way you can write it. There is another way to write this. So the assignment operators we are learning, instead of telling B is equal to B plus A, the actual value plus the new value you want to add, instead of writing, see, you get right like this, you will get the same output. Okay, you write like this, still you will get the same output. Okay, so that means it is this one is equal to writing this. I feel this is shorthand here, so I can say this is a shorthand method. Okay, Ankit? Ankit, is it clear? Okay, that's it. So now instead of writing B is equal to B minus A, okay, instead of writing like this, B is having a value 10, minus 5 is going to be 5. So we can also write it like this, minus. I'll just comment this. For comment is like, I want to hide from the compiler. That's it. Okay, so I don't want this code to be executed, so we put with the hash symbol. Okay, so now when I try to run this particular code, you can see that. So it is going to be 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5 is going to be 5. Okay, so this same way we can also go with multiplication. So I give a multiplication, it is like B into A. So it is equivalent to telling B is equal to B into A. B into A is B is 10, 10 into 5 is 50. So you should get as 50. The same thing I can use it for division. So it is going to be a divide point. Okay, a 10 divided by 5 is going to be 2. Okay, so all these things can be used. Clear?